How you doing, honey?
Jack, I'm so hot, I'm burning up.
I'll turn on some air.
Chicago, the passengers are beginning to panic. When do we start down?
Not just yet. They'll be in radar range any second now. I don't understand it. Should have been in range 10 minutes ago.
Anderson, check the radar range. Anything yet?
It's about 2 more minutes, Chief.
2 more minutes? They could be miles off course.
That's impossible. They're on instruments. This is going to be a real sweat. Anderson, let me know when you get anything. Got a cigarette, Nels?
Can't take much more of this. Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit amphetamines. Johnny, how much more coffee?
No thanks.
Chief, these reporters won't leave without a statement.
How much longer can those passengers hold out?
Half an hour, maybe 45 minutes.
Who's flying the plane?
One of the passengers. But he's an experienced Air Force pilot who flew during the war, so there's no cause for alarm. Henshaw, take over.
What kind of plane is it?
Oh, it's a big, pretty white plane with red stripes and curtains in the window and wheels, and it looks like a big Tylenol.
Okay, boys, let's get some pictures.
I want the one of the fuck of war. C-47, right? Ooh, I love it.
This bulletin just handed to me. Stricken airliner approaching Chicago.
面白いよ。ニュースの実感です。宇田発音が伝えます。ヘッドストライカー。
Shayna, they bought their tickets. They knew what they were getting into. I say, let them crash.